This one's my favorite, so when you say the word no, say it really loud, okay? I have the right to say no.
I have the right to say no.
Excellent. What does it mean that you have the right to say no?
You don't have to listen to other people. You can do what you want.
Now, that's not necessarily true. What does it mean that you have the right to say no? Yes.
You know when you're like in a situation, if someone says, do this, and you don't want to say no to make them feel bad. Is that what you mean?
That's exactly what I mean. And remember when we talked about there are times you have to put yourself first? This is a situation in which you would have to put yourself first. You have a right to set a boundary. Do you know what a boundary is? It means that you have a right to say, don't go any further than this in my life, and tell people to stay outside of that. So give me an example of something somebody might try to make you do.
Jump off a cliff.
Jump off a cliff. Your friends go, this cliff looks good. I want to jump off this cliff. We will probably hit the water and not the cliff face. Maybe. Would you jump? Because you have the right to say, no. An easier one is a bunch of your friends don't like somebody. So there's like 5 of you and you don't like girl number 6. And everybody's being mean to her and ignoring her and being rude to her. But what if you have no problem with girl number 6? Do you need to bully her or be mean to her? No. You have the right to tell your friends no. And if your friends are going, oh, but she's terrible and she's this and she's that, people can't pressure you into doing something you don't want to do. You have the right to tell them no. And every time you tell them no, you get better at no. Say, I have the right to say no.
I have the right to say no.
I love it. Like, that face, that's the face you use. Because what's the worst they can do to you? What are they going to do to you when you do something they don't like?
Be mean to you.
They're going to be mean to you. Telling them no means telling them, you're not going to treat me that way. I have value and I have worth. So one more time, I have the right to say no.
I have the right to say no.
Excellent.